Sustainability through the vegetable industry has always been a focus. It's our responsibility to be part of the group of people that's taking the lead. We don't just produce plants, it's about how we produce plants, what our impact is. Our approach is through the lens of environmental sustainability, social sustainability and financial sustainability. We believe that only when each of these components are addressed, we'll get the best outcome. We are partnering with our customers and industry leaders in vegetable growing to make sure that the industry is heading in the right direction. Solar energy is something that we've been particularly keen on. Here at Boomaroo, we've got about 150 kilowatts of solar on the roofs of our sheds already. It contributes around about 1/3 of our total use. It's something that we've looked at because we need to maintain our costs as well as being environmentally friendly. Yeah, Boomaroo Nurseries has always been looking at water and our water usage. We're currently using around about 120 megalitres of water at our Lara site per annum. So what we do to offset that is we have about 50 megalitres of catchment area. It catches both the roof water, also the water that has been used runs back in there. Then we treat that water, filter it and treat it, and then we reuse that water. And we're recycling about 25%. Last year, closer to 30%. And we're building the capacity to be able to do more into the future. We're driving towards that 50% mark. We need to look at the way that we're impacting our environment with the use of our cars and our trucks as well. When it comes to the car fleet that we have, we're looking very, very seriously as a company going to a hybrid vehicle. The hybrid means that we're still using some fuel, but we estimate that we're going to cut our CO2 emissions by over 50% by modifying our fleet. The main way that we can have an impact with our delivery fleet is to make sure that we are delivering 100% full truckloads. What that means is the amount of fuel that we're consuming per plant is at the minimum that we can possibly do.
New product development is one of the key areas that we're focusing our attention on. And two significant components are taking up organics, but also looking at ways to reduce packaging. One of our more significant projects is the commercial production of organic vegetables at Boomaroo. This will see fundamental changes to the fertilisers, pesticides and growing media that we use. For example, transitioning to biological, sustainably sourced and renewable alternatives to traditional chemical inputs. In the Green Life business, we are looking at more innovative ways to manage pests. This includes a number of things. We've moved away from preventative spray programs and more to curative spray programs. We reduce the amount of chemicals required by first using other techniques, such as the use of beneficial insects. We also use funguses and scouting techniques like sticky paper, which traps flies. Where possible, we've used biodegradable products for our packaging. When it's not possible, we've used plastics with 100% recyclable content, which are they themselves recyclable. Also critically is just to remove any packaging that's unnecessary.
Under our social sustainability stream, our focus is on supporting health and well-being of our employees and the community. Health and well-being, what it means here at Boomaroo, is having a safe workplace. Our safe workplace means not only physical safety, but psychological safety. So a workplace that's free of discrimination and bullying. That goes through our entire process from recruiting, through our opportunities for promotion within the business. We give everyone a fair go in their training opportunities within the business. We respect people's diversity and differences. Boomaroo gives back to the local community through financial and product donations, as well as volunteering our time. Our support also extends to include industry programs and initiatives in the broader community. So for us, sustainability doesn't just mean about what we've got for the future, it means who we're bringing along for the ride as well.
Our environmental and social aspirations wouldn't be possible without sound financial management. We've always concentrated on how we produce things as economically but as sustainably responsible way. Sustainable financial decisions enable security and growth, not only for Boomaroo, but also for its customers and supply chain partners. You know what? We just want to be a good community citizen, or citizen of the earth these days. It's the commitment that we're making as a business. We actually have to look after our environment. We should be setting these audacious goals. It's better to do our best to achieve that and fail, hopefully we don't miss by much, than to not try.